Hi, welcome back, friends. Today we are going to see the fourth video in this playlist where I am going to define the formula function. In the last video, we have created the PLSQL procedured function, and in this video, I am going to call that procedure. Let me first start doing the definition. Go to the formula functions, which is there in the other definitions under any of the HMS manager responsibility, and I am going to see what is the return type in my PLSQL packaged function. It's number type, so let me define the data type as number. It's a class external function. Give some alias name, and let me put some one line description about this formula function. Now in the next field, I am going to call the source is nothing but my packaged function, so my package name dot function name. So this is what I have to give. So let me copy the package name and function name, and let's save this record. Now we are done with the formula function definition. Let's start defining the context parameters. If you see in my function, there are two context parameters. One is business group ID with the data type as number, and second is the assignment ID with the data type as again number. These two will come automatically, and it will take from the fast formula itself based on which employee it is processing and to which business group the employee is in. Okay, now let us start defining the rest of the parameters. I'm copying the year, so let me go to the year, p underscore year. It's a number type, it's a input type, and then next is the deduction amount. The type is again in it's an output type, and the next four message variables, and each of them are out type, so they're all belonging to text types, and the output only message 2, message 3, and then message 4. Now with this we'll be done with the definition of the parameters. Now our formula function, once it's called, it will first passes the context parameters followed by the parameters. Okay, thank you friends for watching this video. In the next video I am going to call this formula function inside the fast formula. Let us catch up again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please click the like icon if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.